day mga ka-geeks, it's me again, Teacher Ramil, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss finding geometric means between two terms. Kaya kung bago ka lang sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like and subscribe at i-share na ito sa iyong mga classmates and friends para sama-sama tayong updated sa mga bagong videos.
Yes, good day. In this video, we will discuss geometric mean between two terms. So how do we find geometric mean between two terms? Now, let us study example number 1. We are asked to find the geometric mean between 5 and 20. So if we're going to look at the example, we are asked to find only one geometric mean between 5 and 20. So if this is the given, what are we going to do? We're going to find the square root of the product of 5 and 20. So the geometric mean is equal to the square root of 5 times 20. Now, to simplify this equation, we multiply 5 by 20 and we get 100. Now, 100 is a perfect squared number. And the square root of 100 is 10. So the geometric mean between 5 and 20 is 10. There you have it. Now, let us study this example. We're going to find the three geometric means between 2 and 32. So if you're going to list down all the terms, we can see that 2 is our a sub 1 and 32 is our a sub 5. We are asked to find a sub 2, a sub 3, and a sub 4. Let us identify first the given before we compute for the geometric means between 2 and 32. We can say that our a sub n is 32, that is our last term. Our a sub 1 is 2, n is equal to 5, and we are going to find the common ratio, so it will be easy for us to identify the three geometric means between 2 and 32. Now, what is the formula that we are going to use? We are going to use a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times quantity r n or raised to n minus 1. Now, let us substitute all the values. Our a sub n is 32, our a sub 1 is 2, and the n is 5. Now, simplifying the equation, we can write 32 is equal to 2 r raised to 4. We get the value 4 by subtracting 5 and 1, or getting the difference between 5 and 1, that is 4. Now, in this part of the equation, we have to eliminate 2 from the right side of the equation. So, we can only have r on that part. So, what are we going to do is to divide both sides of the equation by 2. In this manner, we can now easily eliminate 2 or cancel 2 from this side of the equation. Now, let me rewrite the equation as r raised to 4 is equal to 16. 16 is the quotient of 32 and 2. Now, for us to eliminate the power or the exponent 4 from r, we have to get the fourth root of each side of the equation. We can now cancel the fourth root and the exponent 4. We have r, to rewrite the equation, is equal to the fourth root of 16. Now, using your calculator or any method of calculation, you can easily identify that the fourth root of 16 is 2. Now, our common ratio is 2. Upon identifying the common ratio of 2, we can now easily identify the value of a sub 2, a sub 3, and a sub 4. Now, how are we going to identify the value of a sub 2? It is actually easy for us to find because we have already identified the common ratio. We only have to multiply the previous term to our common ratio. That is a sub 1 times r. So we can write the equation as a sub 2 is equal to 2 times 2. Now, a sub 2 is equal to 4. Now, let us identify the value of a sub 3. Just like what I've said, we only have to multiply the previous term to our common ratio. And that is a sub 3 is equal to 4 times 2. So our a sub 3 is equal to 8. Now, let us find a sub 4. A sub 4 is equal to a sub 3 times the common ratio. And we can write it as a sub 4 is equal to 8 times 2. And the value of a sub 4 is 16. There you have it, the three geometric means between 2 and 30. I hope you learned something from this video. Follow for more videos. Thank you and goodbye.